Time to resume, KL, time to resume. We are all talking about resumption. The government has now allowed athletes like you to go out and train. BCCI sources tell me that they have a 4-stage plan. How are you looking at resumption, and when are you starting to train, if not already?
Look, Dada, honestly, it's been a really hard couple of months. I mean, everything that's happening around in the country, around the world, has just been difficult for all of us. And during this time, we've felt grateful about a lot of things. At least, for us athletes, for a lot of us, at least, we had some sort of access to training, and even for me, I think at home I'd set up a decent training option for myself. So I've kept myself quite busy with training in the last couple of months, and the thought of resumption just is exciting for all of us, and we all know it's going to be interesting, and it's not going to be like what it used to be, at least as soon as it begins. So it's going to be really interesting for all of us, and I'm excited to begin, and just can't wait to get back on the field and get going again.
Have you given yourself a restart date? As in, are you starting to go out in Bangalore? Will you go out to the NCA, for example? Or have you given yourself a restart date? And is there a plan that you will gradually try and get back to fitness? Because, you have been out of action for close to 3 months now.
Yeah, we've been out of action. But like I said, to a lot of my teammates that I've kept in touch and kept talking through the lockdown, we've all been trying to stay fit, and we've done our bit, whatever we can with limited facility. We've tried to keep ourselves fit, and I honestly feel like we've all become a lot more stronger. But obviously, being on the field and playing the game needs a different kind of fitness. We all understand that, and I think it'll take us a couple of weeks or maybe 20 days at tops to get back to being international cricket fit. So yeah, we're all excited, and NCA and BCCI, we haven't heard much as players yet, but the BCCI and the NCA has kept in touch with us, and has checked up on us every week, and just finding out what we're doing and how we're keeping, and how our health is mentally and physically. And the government has given the go to start training, but I think we're still taking it a little slow and making sure that everything is safe for all the athletes. And at least in Bangalore NCA, I think in a couple of weeks should start off, and I'm looking forward to it. And also, having said that, we're in at least me personally, I'm not in such a hurry. We want to make sure that we're all safe first before everything starts. So the guys at BCCI and NCA, they know it best, and I'm sure they'll make the best decision for all of us.
And that's the fair way to go about it. If you actually ask me, prudence needs to be exercised. Health and safety absolutely will come first, KL, and every possible precaution has to be taken, because these are unnatural circumstances. Having said that, how do you look at these new rules? If I can ask you, as an elite performer, the rules that ICC has now set in place: no saliva, home umpires, and of course possible replacements in case of a medical emergency. How do you look at the new rules?
Like I said earlier, it's just going to be interesting times. Like I said, it's not going to be the same game we played 6 months ago. We'll all take some time to get used to the new rules and the new way of playing, at least for the next 7-8 months or for the rest of the year. We're also used to shining the ball with spit, or it will be difficult initially, but I think we'll all, as sportsmen, as people, we're used to, we will get over things, and we will understand the new way and adapt to it. And like I said, we're just excited and looking forward to resuming, and whatever are the rules, and like you just mentioned, safety and health of people and health of players is the top priority. So whatever rules are in place, I think is all thought out, and yeah, I think as players we will follow it, but it might be a little uncomfortable or might take a little time for all of us to get used to it.